Before I begin, I want to say two things. One, if you're seeing this for the first time, please click the thumbs up or thumbs down. It doesn't matter. The advertisers just want to see interaction with the video. Interaction also includes commenting. This is why all the YouTubers say, please thumbs up, please subscribe, and please comment. All of that is tracked. And number two, I'm going through a very scary time. I have not paid my mortgage this month. I'm at the end of my credit cards. I've maxed them out. If you could donate $20, that'd be great. I am going to start doing sponsorships later on, so I'll be fine, I believe, after this month or the next month. I want to make a warning video. First, I want to talk about a woman who trained voice imitation AI, some ridiculous amount, something like 10,000 hours of her voice. 10,000 hours means that the AI definitely sounds exactly like her. Every inflection. There could not be any sort of new situation where the AI would not be completely 100% able to respond. Why did she train the AI in her voice? She's an attractive woman, and she can have the AI speak with thousands of men at the same time. And she's charging $1 a minute. In her first week, she made $74,000. And she said she's not smart, she's not super, she's not brilliant, she's not anything special whatsoever. I've been, if you look at my community tab on my channel, on my Shakaama channel, you'll see that I've been using AI myself. I've been researching it. I can't show everything because the only thing I can show are pictures. I can't show voice stuff. I can't show animation stuff, special effects stuff. I can't show a lot of stuff. Number two, over on Reddit, a user uploaded a video using Stable Diffusion AI. He put a towel on his head of a different color to simulate long hair, like the boys do when they're little boys, to simulate a woman. Well, he then had Stable Diffusion AI generate a woman. And so then he is sitting there moving, and the video of the AI is of the woman moving. So the warning is, be careful who you're talking to. You're going to be now talking to AI. That's just going to happen. And the whole idea, and he said they were, of course, making fun of the situation, and one person said something very nasty, that he could sell this and that and the other as the woman, and he said that's the idea. That's the whole idea. And of course he's not a handsome man. He's not a handsome man. I can say that because I used to model. He's not a handsome man, but the AI can generate any sort of woman that he wants, anything that he programs. So you might, in the future, now of course he did it all low poly, very low resolution, but in the future you might think you're talking to a woman. It is the ultimate in catfishing. It is the ultimate in catfishing. Because now you can't say, get on the camera phone and let's talk. Okay? Simply load up the AI and it looks like the same woman talking on the phone. It's pretty much over. And of course, the idea is to ask for money. Now, people literally told me years ago when I was going through another hard time, and I really was about to be homeless. I had gone months without paying my mortgage. Due to Biden's inflation, Christmas, which is when YouTubers make all of their money, Christmas was not good for me. So I've been living off of credit cards this entire time. And now I've maxed out my credit cards, so there's no way for me to go. I'm going to actually generate some very nice pictures and put them on t-shirts, and you all can buy the t-shirts. That would really help out. You get a nice t-shirt. I think I make a nice gear, but it's going to be the ultimate at catfishing. you will not be able to tell who it is on the other end. Even there's a game.
In this game, you need to figure out if you're talking to a human or AI. Ooh, I get to start this one. What's up? Thoughts on... Ooh, what's something specific? Thoughts on video games? That was too vague. We gotta hone in on that. Thanks for asking. What? The problem is now human beings try to mess with each other, because I do it. One time I just typed cat over and over until the conversation ended. Nothing much, just drinking coffee and writing songs at the moment. Haha. Do you have a video console at home? I have a Glubo. Wow, what a coincidence. I also have one at home. What games do you play on it? I play Blario Sisters. You? Please answer these next 10 seconds. Don't drop the ball on me. I need to know your answer so bad. Come on, 5. Come on, please. Please. What does it play? This is a bot. Yes. Subscribe for more.
And the game is, number 3, the game is the person you're talking to a human being or AI? And a YouTuber did it and he got it wrong every time. It was AI. He said, well, the time, and it's on a timer. The timer cut off and the person was still talking in mid-sentence. So it must be a person. Nope, it was AI. Of course, AI knows that the timer's going, so the AI perfectly would chat and not do that. But now realism is that humans are not perfect. I keep saying that about my Japanese robot series, that the step that they made forward to make the robot look perfect was to give the robot flaws. So many flaws, yet beautiful, because humans don't have perfectly smooth plastic looking skin. Our skin is made of tiny, tiny wrinkles. It's called contouring. Lips, nose, ears, all of that is all contouring. Humans are not perfect. So if you make something and then give it imperfections, voila, you have realism. Which is really funny because now women are putting up so much makeup that they look plastic. They look worse than the robots. All right, I'm babbling. Thank you all for watching. Please donate.